everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to design an interior space in just a few clicks using Nano Banana, the brand new feature inside Gemini AI. And it's super easy and perfect if you want to instantly redesign any room with just a photo and detailed prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just let's open Gemini, log in with your Google account, and then once you're inside, just tap on Create Image. This one, just tap on it, or you can also access Nano Banana by just tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is the feature we'll be using to instantly edit interior designs. Next, just upload the photo of the room that you want to redesign. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just upload your photo of your room like this. And then now comes the most important part. Let's writing a prompt. The more detailed your description is, the better the result will be. For example, here's a detailed prompt for redesign the living room. I will make a living room designs for this empty room. I will type my prompt like this. For example like this, just type your prompt very specific about colors, vibe, furniture, and overall styles. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. You can see how Nano Banana instantly transformed the room into a modern, cozy space, exactly as described. And I think the details are amazing from the sofa to the rug and even lighting. And okay, that's it. That's how easy it is to design interiors using Nano Banana inside Gemini AI. Just upload your photo, write a clear prompt, and then let the AI do the magic. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.